The experiment is non-uniform bending. We are going to determine the Young's modulus of the given wooden beam. The formula for this is capital Y. The Young's modulus of the given material is Y is equal to G L cube divided by 4B D cube into M by Y. The unit for Young's modulus is Newton per meter square. The expansion of all the notations and the relevant unit should be written here. G is acceleration due to gravity in meter per second square. L is the distance between two knife edges. The distance between two knife edges in meter. B is the breadth of the scale, which is to be determined using Vernier calipers. D, the thickness of the beam using screw gauge. Both B and D should be expressed in meters. M is the applied load in kg and Y, small y, is the depression made for the applied load in meters. The relevant diagram is here. The sample readings are given. This table is for determining M by Y ratio. For the applied load, what is the depression made? Here, W is the base load, that is, it may be 50 grams. W can be taken as 50 grams here. So for every additional 50 grams, what is the depression made in the scale? And the relevant MSR, main scale reading, and Vernier scale coincidence are taken. These are the sample readings. So just like in air bridge experiment, the total reading has a formula MSR plus VSC into LC. The least count is 0.001 centimeter. Here MSR is 8.35, VSC is 9. So total reading is equal to MSR plus VSC into LC. Here I'm going to take this particular reading. 8.35 plus, use your calculator, VSC is 9 and 0.001. So you'll get 8.359. So I'm writing it here, 8.359. In the same way, using calculator, we can get the total reading 8.306, 8.255, 8.208, 8.154, 8.107. So the unloading to be taken here. In the unloading part, we are using the same total reading with the formula MSR plus VSC into LC, and we get this 8.35 plus 0.11, I get 8.361, 8.361, and then here 8.308, 8.25 plus 0.013, so 8.263, 8.212, 8.160, and then 8.107. Mean total reading is, that is, the total reading of loading and the total reading of unloading is added and then divided by 2 will give you the mean value. So take your calculator, you can go with, that is 8.3 8.359 plus 8.361. I get 0, 1 and then 7, 16. 0, 2, 1. Okay. This is total divided by 2, 8.360. So I got 8.360. Similar way here, 306, 308, 86, 14 by 2, I get 8.307. Similar way here, 8.2, 55 plus 63. So use your calculator. 55, 8.255 plus 8.263, I got 16.518 divided by 2, I got 8.259. Here 8.28 plus 12, 20 by 2, I get 210. Then here 8.1 and then 5, 4, 8.160. 54, 54, then 6, I get 6 by 2, 3, 54 plus 3, 7. So 8.157. Here it is so easy, 8.107. Then what is the depression made for every 100 grams? Even for every 50 grams can also be taken. Since it is given as 100 grams, I am going for difference of every 100 grams. That is, in the load point, you can say that this and this minus this will give you 100 gram difference. Same way, the same type of difference should be taken in this mean value also. 8.360 minus 8.259. You will get, so 59 here, 60. So 0.101. And then same way here, this minus this will give you 100. That is W plus 50, W plus 150. The difference is 100. Same way here also I am going to take the difference between these two. 307, 210. So I get 0.097. And then this minus this, that is 100 minus 200 will give you 100 grams. Same way here also you are going to find the difference between these two. 8.210 minus 8.107. So I get 7. 210 and then no, that is here 8.259 minus 157. 8.259, that is 9 minus 7, I get 2 here, then 0, 1, 0.102. Same way from 150 to 250. That is what I have taken here. 210107. So it is 0.103. So I'm checking it out. 8.210 minus 8.107, it is 0.103. Now these are the depressions made for 100 grams. Now M by Y ratio should be taken. That is, for every 100 grams, the depression made is determined here. This is that Y value. So in your calculator, go for M by Y ratio as, so it is 100 grams. So 100 into 10 power minus 3 divided by Y is in centimeters, therefore 0.101 into 10 power minus 2. So I'll get 10 divided by 0.101. 10 divided by 0.101, I got 99. 99. Same way here, 10 divided by, same can be applicable for the next two also. 10 divided by 0.097. 0.097, I got 103. So I got 103. 0.09, so I am leaving that 09 here. Next is 10 divided by 0.102. So here 98. Then 103, 97. Now mean M by Y is take the average of all these, that is add all the 4 divided by 4. 99, that is 97 plus 98 plus 99 plus 103, we have got 397 as the total. This 4, addition of all the 4 will give you 397 by 4 divided by 4 will give you 99.25. So this is the mean M by Y ratio. Therefore 99.25. M is in kilogram, Y is in meter. So this is the relevant unit. Even it can be done for 50 grams also. If it is 50 grams, the adjacent values can be taken. That is M and W plus 50, W plus 50 minus W plus 100. In this way also taken. Here in the mean value, we can find the difference of this. That is the difference between this and this will give you the depression made for 50 grams, and then this minus this will give you the depression made for 50 grams. If it is done, then it can be taken as for 50 grams what is the depression made. You will get a value like 0.050. In that way you will be getting the value. I have done it for 100 grams. Then breadth of the beam using vernier caliper. The vernier caliper used have no errors and corrections. So MSR 2.6 and VSE, we have obtained this as a sample reading. Vernier scale reading is equal to vernier scale coincidence into least count. The least count is 0.01 centimeter. So VSE into LC is 4 into 0.01. I get 0.04. Here 0.06, 0.06, 0.04, 0.05. Then corrected reading is MSR plus VSR plus or minus 0 correction. We have not have any 0 correction. Therefore 2.64, 2.66, 2.66, 2.64, 2.65. If you take average of all these, then you will get 2.65 in centimeter. So the breadth of the beam is 2.65 into 10 power minus 2 meter. The thickness of the beam using screw gauge is, division is -3, 0.01 mm is the least count of the screw gauge. The error is -3. Therefore, -3 into 0.01, you got -0.03 mm, and the 0 correction is opposite to that of 0 error, plus 0.03. So here the pitch scale reading is 5 and the head scale coincidence is taken as 68, 64, 65, 66, 65 divisions. HSR is equal to HSC into LC. So HSC is 68, least count is 0.01 mm. So we get 68 into 0.01. I get 0.68, 0.64, 0.65, 0.66, 0.65. Observed reading is equal to PSR plus HSR, that is 5 plus 0.68 will give you 5 plus 0.68 will give you 5.68. Here 5.64, 5.65, 5.66, 5.65. Corrected reading is equal to observed reading plus or minus 0 correction. For the given screw gauge, we have got plus 0 correction. So I am changing it as plus 0 correction. So what is your observed reading? It is 5.68. The correction is plus 0.03. So it is 5.71. So I get similar way here also 5.64 plus 3, I get 67. 5.65 plus 0.03, I get 68. 5.66 plus 0.03, I get 5.69, 5.68. Now the average of all these 5, the mean value 5.71 plus 5.67 plus 5.68 plus 5.69 plus 5.68. I've got 28 point. That is the addition of all these 5 is 28.43 by 5. Mean value is the total divided by 5. I got 5.686 mm, millimeter. This in millimeter. Now we need to go for the calculation part. So in calculation, usually we will write the formula, the Young's modulus of the material of the given beam is GL cube divided by 4BD cube into M by Y Newton per meter square. The values what we have obtained should be written. So G is 9.8 meter per second square, acceleration due to gravity. Then L is the distance between two knife edges. While performing the experiment, a wooden meter scale will be provided. This is 0 centimeter. Let us take it is 20 centimeter, and the pin is kept at 50 centimeter, and this is 80 centimeter, and it is 100 centimeter. That is why it is a meter scale. 1 meter scale, 100 centimeter. The knife edges are kept at a distance of 60 centimeter can be found by the scale is placed on the knife edges at 20th centimeter and at 80 centimeter. So 80 minus 60 will give you L as 60 centimeter. So here, so the L is equal to 60 centimeter. It is converted into meters. And then breadth of the scale, thickness of the scale, and then M by Y ratio. Breadth of the scale is 2.65 centimeter. So 2.65 in meters, 10 power minus 2. Thickness is in millimeter, 5.686 into 10 power minus 3 meter. And M by Y is 99.25. M is in kilogram and Y is in meter. Substituting all the values we get Y is equal to G is 9.8, acceleration due to gravity, and L cube is 60 into 10 power minus 2 the whole cube. M by Y ratio is 99.25 divided by 4 into breadth of the beam is 2.65 into 10 power minus 2. Thickness is 5.686 into 10 power minus 3 the whole cube. Now, using the calculator, so the usual way of calculation in one stretch is switch it on, double bracket, double open bracket, 9.8 into 60 cap button cube, that is 60 into 10 power minus 2 the whole cube. I am writing it as 60 cap 3 and then 10 power, this is minus 6. So into 10 power minus 6 into 99.25, I am closing with a single bracket and then divided by open bracket 4 into 2.65 into 10 power minus 2 into thickness is 5.686 cap 3, that is the whole cube, into 10 power minus 3, power 3 is 10 power minus 9. So into 10 power minus 9 closing with double bracket is equal to, I got 5.686 the whole cube, 1.07816. I'm repeating the calculation, 9.8 into 60 cube into 10 power minus 6 into 99.25 divided by 4 into breadth of the scale 2.65 into 10 power minus 2, 5.686 the whole cube into 10 power minus 9. I got 1.07816 into 10 power 10 Newton per meter square. So the result is the Young's modulus, even you can write it in this way, the Young's modulus of the material, of the given material or whatever material is provided to you. For example, if it is a 1 meter wooden scale, the Young's modulus of the given wooden scale, wooden beam, is determined using non-uniform bending method as y is equal to 1.07816 into 10 power 10 Newton per meter square. Thank you.